Hello, friends. What's up? Welcome to the Vocabulary Vibe. In this particular slide, we will be sharing 10 words in each and every day. So, those who are preparing for the UPSC, IAS, GRE, TOEFL, or any other English entrance examination, it will definitely help those aspirants. Let's come to the first word of the day, cacophonic. The word caco means bad and phonic means that sounds. So cacophonic simply means something obnoxious sounds or like unmusical notes, harsh sound that is coming. So if I say he is playing in a cacophonic manner, that means he is creating some kind of a harsh unmusical note. Next word, euxoricide. You have heard about the suicide, matricide, mariticide. Side means to kill. Uxoricide, uxory means the wife. So the one who murders his or her wife, or murdering of one's own wife is called uxoricide. Antonym is mariticide. So definitely it's a crime. Next, pardon. Please pardon me. I am asking for the pardon. Forgive me. So what par means for and don means the give. So this is the etymology. So pardon means to forgive. What for? Philadelphia, the largest city of the Pennsylvania. So it's a town, you know about this one, a town in the Mississippi, United States. So largest city in the Pennsylvania, located in the southeastern part of the state along the Delaware and River, site of the Independence Hall, former capital of United States, and nickname city of brotherly love. So you have heard about this one. Phila, the word phila means the love, and Adolf, like Adolf Hitler. So Philadelphia, if you split the word, you will get love for the phila or feelings like philophilic, hydrophilic. Philic means love, and Adolf means the brotherly. So it is a city of brotherly love. Next, bona fide. The word bona fide means the bone. The first part of this means with, or you can say with a good, and fight means the fidelity. So that is the belief. He is bona fide. He has a good faith, or he is an authentic person. He is a genuine, sincerely a bona fide. So just opposite to the malafide. Next, confident. He is looking very confident. If you split this word, you will get the con means with, fit means the fidelity, and end is for the adjective. So if I say I was impressed by his confidence at such young age, or he's looking very confident at this young age, so it is a kind of a adjective, and who is very sure about and positive about something. Self assured, you can say. Next, narcotic. The word narco means something to do with the sleepy kind of behavior. Narco means numbness or sleep. So he is addicted to the narcotics. It means he is addicted to the class of substances or drugs that reduces pain and induces sleep, and may alter the mood or behavior. You have heard about the narco test. Similar kind of words are there. Next, feline. This is very popular word. Catty. Like if I say the feline smell is coming, that means cattish or cat-like smells are coming. So the cat and lion. This is a member of the cat family, Felidae. In biology, it is there, so it is not important for you, but it's a family, Felidae. So cat-like or catty smells are coming. That means I can say feline smells are coming. So feline is same as a catty. Next, aeronautics. The first part has been taken from the air, and nautics means the ship. So that means a ship that is flying in the air. So a design, a construction, a mathematics, or a mechanics of aircraft and other flying object is comes under the aeronautics, and it is the theory and practice of aircraft navigation. It is the theory and practice of aircraft navigation. Last word, apathy. A means without. In many cases, we can use a, and pathy means feelings. Like if I say sympathy, sim means same, pathy means the feeling. Suppose a person with the same state of your feeling, who has an empathy, he can understand. So there is sympathy. Apathy means without, means I don't care of attitude. So Martin Luther King once said regarding this apathy, the hottest place in hell is reserved for those who remain neutral in times of great moral conflict. So that is the one example has been given. So apathy means simply without feeling. He is apathy. He is having the apathy, means he is without any kind of feeling, you can say. So these are the 10 words of the day. Share, like, and subscribe to get daily updates. Have a good day, and thanks for watching Vocabulary 5.